How to use Smart Site. Refer the link provided by us in your email. In your email we are going to send you the link. Click the link and there you can see different links. Number one is the Smart Site where you can edit the link, and the second one is your directly published website link. So first of all, let me show you the published website link. Click here. You can see directly the website is published. That is, this is the site, same thing, everyone can see it. And there is another link, that is the link is for your access. Don't share this to anyone. Now to edit this, just click on this link. You can directly edit the site. For this, what is condition is, it should be your registered email only. If anyone other than you can access it, they may not be having the access to open this site. So after whatever the changes you are going to do to make it online, just click on the right top publish button. Once you publish button, you can see the publishing is happening. After some time it gets updated, and whatever the changes you are going to make in this site, it will be reflected online so that everyone can see it. It may take some time. Your site has been published successfully. To view it, you can view anytime. Thank you.